Haunting the night as vague silhouettes framed against the moonless sky, Crypt Flayers search tirelessly for enemies of their glorious court. Once spotted, their prey is swept upwards, gleaming fangs sunk deeply into their necks, leaving nothing behind but a drop of spilled blood. Horrifying to behold, Crypt Flayers are twisted monstrosities, mockeries of men who yet believe themselves blessed, enchanted examples of strength and power, regarded with awe and adulation by their low mortal kin. Hello and welcome to Stender Painting. In this video I'll be unboxing a box of Crypt Flayers. Please enjoy. And here we have the box in all its glory, the Crypt Flayers for the Flesh Eater Courts. If we take a quick look on the front side, we have an example of how to paint the 3 Crypt Flayers. And on the back side we have some more variants and also some optional assembly. You can also build 3 Crypt Horrors, for example, and some Courtiers and Wargeist. Well, let's get into the box. Like so. Let's open it up and see what's in store for us. First and foremost, we have this read this first pamphlet, which includes how to assemble your models and the different variants you can build. And on the back you have some rules, but I'm not sure if these are up to date with the latest edition of Age of Sigmar. Anyways, what do we have here? We have 3 50mm bases, which is very necessary. And then we got 3 sprues in total, and I'll show them to you one by one on each side. Here is the first one. I do believe there is, besides the bases, 62 components in total in this box. And as I mentioned before, there are different variants you can build, and if you're creative enough, there are plenty of ways you can convert these models into something else entirely if you wish to. If I am not mistaken, these models are from the old Warhammer Fantasy Battle days. I'm not completely sure, please correct me in the comments if I'm wrong, but this piece in particular reminds me of an Empire symbol, and not something that you see in Age of Sigmar. Anyways, here is the last sprue. There are plenty of small horns and such that you can pick and choose from. And of course it is Warhammer, so there's also skulls. Lots of skulls. And yep, that's all she wrote. 3 bases, 3 sprues, 62 components, and 3 models, which has different variants. I hope you found this video useful. If you did so, please leave a like and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.